In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice is a great alternative and substitute for regular rice as it's very low in calories and low in carbs, and it's always a good idea to use cauliflower rice for weight loss instead of eating plain rice. So let's get started. It's very simple and easy to make and only takes a couple minutes. So we have our 2 cauliflowers here. For this, ideally, you only need 1 head of cauliflower, but since I have 2, I'm gonna make double the amount. We're gonna start off by chopping off the green parts. And then we want to get rid of the hard parts of the cauliflower. Then we have our food processor here. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna throw in the cauliflower florets in. If they don't fit in the food processor, then feel free to chop them up into smaller pieces. And then we're gonna start the food processor. I personally like the chop function, and we want to grind them up until they get into small fine pieces, but you don't want to overdo it as it will turn to mush. And then I like to give it a couple shakes, and we can start it again. And now we're going to transfer the ground cauliflower into a pot. And this is how it looks like inside the pan. You can add oil or butter to it as well. Since we're making the healthy version, I'm just gonna fry it without anything else. However, definitely don't use water, as water will turn it soggy and into mush. And then we're gonna fry it for maybe 3, 4, 5 minutes until it's a slight golden color. It doesn't take long for it to cook. And yeah, there's several options for frying it. You can, like I mentioned, add butter, olive oil, but in this case we're doing it plain without anything. It does burn the pot a little bit, but you know, it's either that or additional calories in the form of oil. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, and stay tuned for a new recipe soon.